Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hey fams, so today I want to talk to you guys about this small family-owned business, Emerging Green, and they have asked me to give a review on their teak shower step stool. Now this step stool is 100% hardwood, you guys. They sent me this product for free and asked me to review it. So I did not pay for this product at all, but it is the most amazing little step stool. I've been using it since I've gotten it, and it's amazing. It's 100% hardwood. It's like rubber wood, which is strong, flexible, and durable. It's scratch free. It's scratch resistance, and you can use it in your normal, like everyday use, and it lasts for many years. You can also use it as an ottoman in your living room, a desk stool, a bathroom stool for kids. It's like one step stool that will boost you 10 inches, you guys, to reach any shelves and storage. And if you have a short problem like I do, this step stool is going to save your life, okay? You can use this as an outdoor step stool as well when you're pruning your plants or tending to your garden. It is super simple. It is minimal. If you're a minimalist, this design is definitely for you. And of course, this one step stool, it makes it so easy to complement most home decor interior aesthetics, if you will. And it's also designed for everyday usage, which it focuses on durability, stability, and also portability. You can give this step stool as a gift this year for Christmas. The price point is incredible. It's a small wood chair that can be a wonderful addition to your home. It serves as a step stool for adults or a step stool for kids. It brings about an amazing level of convenience to everyone, you guys. And I know because it has truly been helping me in every single area of my home. You can enjoy it on your patio, in your garden with your favorite drink, or just while sitting on the step stool. It weighs 3.5 pounds, so it's super light to carry, and it holds up to 260 pounds. So I would love for you guys to go ahead and check out the description box with this Emerging Green step stool. They have other products on Amazon. I will link their Amazon store below as well as their website. You guys, this company is amazing, and I want you guys to definitely go ahead and check them out. So definitely I would leave all the links in the description box, and also I will leave the link to this step stool as well, where you can go ahead and purchase it for your family, friends, and give it as a gift this Christmas. Emerging Green, I want to thank you so much today for collaborating with me on this video. I absolutely love this product, and I am so grateful that you chose me to represent this awesome product.
That amazing in Christmas times. We'll be chill.
So welcome to my coffee bar, you guys. Well, not my coffee bar, but my hot chocolate station. I love the way this station turned out. It is super, super cute. My family absolutely loves it. I wanted to kind of go with like a gingerbread theme, but I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to make it festive and make it practical because we use the space every single day. As you can see, the candy is down to nothing because my kids have been using it a lot often than normal. So we use the space every single day. We make our teas, our hot chocolates, and it is so cute and festive. I love all the little Christmas touches that I added to this space. And though this room is not completely done, I just wanted to kind of give you guys like a once over glimpse of what it looks like right now, because I am still going to be adding just some more simple touches to it, like fixing those little holes in the walls and getting a rug for the space, some new curtains, and, just adding a few more things to this area. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this coffee, hot chocolate station and pantry tour. And I also hope that you guys will take advantage of the Emerging Green step stool. You guys will absolutely love it. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. I'm using it. My kids are using it. Even my sister-in-law came over and she's using it because, we all, except for my husband and son, have short problems. So we've been using it and it's just incredibly amazing. So definitely go ahead and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love for you to hit that bell and share this video if you liked it. And yeah, definitely leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this pantry tour and the hot chocolate coffee station. And also let me know where you're watching from and tell me your name in the comment section. I love to talk to you and get to know you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is the reason for the season, that he is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. I will see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this